Hey guys, welcome back to my channel at natassiar1. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an amazing activated charcoal smoothie. Basically, it is great for removing toxins from your body, getting clearer skin, also maintaining good gut health, and just getting that overall glow. So stick around as I show you that amazing recipe. If you guys like today's recipe and the video, don't forget to like, share my content on social media, and subscribe. Click the subscribe button on YouTube. And again, thanks for supporting my channel. Let's begin. So, in terms of the ingredients, first we require some activated charcoal. So I'm not sure if you guys can see this already. Maybe I'll bring it up to the screen. But basically, activated charcoal, you can get it from any pharmacy, even retailers now stock this. Make sure it's food grade. It is not the charcoal that we use for a barbecue or a braai here in South Africa, so please don't use that. But get the food grade medicinal activated charcoal. You can even get tablets, and you can cut the capsules and empty the powder into your smoothies, which is fantastic. Again, follow the instructions on the label of that particular box or tablets that you buy. You don't want to overdose with activated charcoal. As I mentioned earlier, it is used as a detoxifying agent, very similar to bentonite clay if you want to have a full body detox internally and externally. In this video, we're doing the smoothie. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the charcoal mask at home. So that's going to be pretty cool. How do you clean and detox problem skin like mine, for example, using activated charcoal? Let's begin. So as I mentioned, we need activated charcoal. We need some, one banana should be fine, depending on your taste preference. We have some chopped pineapple, which is obviously so awesome for vitamin C, and it's now summer in South Africa, so it's a very refreshing fruit to add to your smoothies. And then we have milk. So I use plant milk. In this regard, I'm using rice milk. So I use plant milk. You can use any milk of your choice. I'm using rice milk. It's just much creamier and sweeter in my smoothies. So we're going to start with our banana. Look, you can also freeze your fruit to give it that extra frostiness if you like that early in the morning. Then we're going to add our pineapple. You can also add honey if you'd like. Some people add raw honey, and then any extra superfoods that you like spirulina, chlorella, so any chia seeds if you'd like. It's up to you how you want to construct your smoothie. This is a great base recipe for which you can add any other recipe, for which you can add any other ingredients. Okay, and let's do the rice milk. I'm not going to put too much. Okay, so probably maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons of milk. And then we've got our activated charcoal. So generally I will use half a teaspoon or half a tablespoon if you really feel you need to cleanse. So we'll add that in. Coolio. Awesome. And so it begins. And blitz it for about 35 seconds or whatever is your lowest setting. You want it to be nice and creamy and smooth, and then bring it up to a pulse action. Okay guys, this looks amazing. Ooh. Ooh-wee. Look at that. Look at that. Oh wow. Oh wow, this is really nice. You can get the pineapple. It's got that sourness and the tang. You can get the banana, the creaminess of it, the rice milk bringing in the sweetness. And to be quite honest, you can't really taste any charcoal. It's not like, when you barbecue your meat and you braai and you get that charcoal flavor on your meat. It's nothing like that. This is really tasteless from a charcoal perspective, so really good to blend in. This is so good. Yummy.